Okay, how do you show what your character is feeling without using speech bubbles? Right, well, we've got a worried character here, okay, and you can tell his work, he's really gritting his teeth here, like, his hair. Okay, so how do we exaggerate that look? You know, make it more obvious that this character is really, really worried, okay? So what you do is, imagine beads of sweat popping out all around him. So you get that kind of look there. You know, a real classic comic book way of showing somebody really worried. Okay, let's imagine your character is really happy. What would you do? Well, this big beaming smile, and of course beaming is the clue, because you can imagine that she's beaming like a sun. And what you do is you draw some nice sun rays coming out all around like that. See that? See how that exaggerates the look? Now imagine your character is sleeping. So draw your character down here with his eyes shut. Nice wee smile. Oh, he's dreaming. Okay. Now, he's obviously dreaming, but what you want to do is you want to exaggerate that, make it pretty obvious. Okay, so I'll put his bed in here, and his hand coming up, and his pillow. Okay, and the rest of the bedding coming down here. Put that in very quickly. And the legs of the bed coming in there, and the mattress, and maybe the end of the bed coming down, something like that, the bedpost. Right, and going down over there. Okay, so a classic way of doing that is to draw a row of Z's or Z's coming up like that. The kind of snoring noise it's making, obviously. Okay, another way of doing it is to show what he's dreaming in a thinks bubble. Right, now a classic way of showing dreaming, of course, is to imagine your character is counting sheep. So there's the fence. Okay, and we can draw a couple of woolly jumpers. You know, leaping over the fence. You know, tells you right away this character is dreaming. And there's another one, with tail sticking up there, back legs. Okay, and the final way again is to draw a think bubble or a dream bubble, if you like, come around like that, and what you do is you draw a saw cutting a log. Well, it's kind of, you imagine it's making the same kind of noise as that, you know, zzz, zzz, zzz. It's like snoring noise. So basically what you're doing is illustrating the noise he's making while he's sleeping and dreaming. Okay, and there's the top of the saw there. A couple of lines to show that it's moving. Okay, so there are some basic ways of showing what your character is feeling without actually using speech bubbles. Okay, so we can check out the rest of my series on comic effects, because there's lots more to come. In the meantime, all the best and happy drawing.